Discuss the procedures to decide the disputes arising out of the election of a member of the Parliament or state legislature under the Representation of the People Act, 1951. What are the grounds on which the election of any returned candidate may be declared void? What remedy is available to the aggrieved party against the decision? Refer to the case laws. 250 words, 15 marks. Introduction. The Representation of the People Act, 1951 is a key legislation in India that governs the conduct of elections and resolves disputes related to them. It applies to elections for both Parliament and state legislatures. Body. Procedures to decide election disputes, presentation of election petition, to challenge the election of a candidate. A person must file an election petition under Section 81 within 45 days of the election. The petition is presented to the High Court for state elections or the Supreme Court for parliamentary elections. Trial of election petition. According to Section 86, a designated single judge conducts the trial, following procedures from the Code of Civil Procedure, 1908 and the Indian Evidence Act, 1872 decision on election petition. After reviewing evidence, the court declares the election valid or invalid. If misconduct is found, it can declare the election void or order a re-election under Sections 98 and 99. Grounds for declaring an election void. Corrupt practices. If the candidate or agent is guilty of bribery or undue influence, Section 101(b). Improper vote handling. Irregularities in receiving or rejecting votes affecting results, Section 101(d)(3). Non-compliance, violations of constitutional or statutory provisions materially affecting results, Section 101(d)(4). Remedy for aggrieved parties. An aggrieved party can appeal the court's decision within 30 days under Section 116A. Notable case laws. Indira Nehru Gandhi v. Raj Narayan, 1975. Indira Gandhi's election was declared void due to corrupt practices, influencing the 39th Amendment limiting judicial scrutiny of the Prime Minister's election. Manohar Joshi v. Nitin Bhaurao Patil, 1996 emphasized that an election can be void only if corrupt practices materially affect the outcome. Conclusion. The Representation of the People Act, 1951 is essential for maintaining democratic values in India. It ensures that the electoral process accurately reflects the will of the people and provides a framework for addressing disputes, thus reinforcing the integrity of the electoral system.